Look at the Atlanta airport, boys and girls. Oh God, we're gonna die. Hey kids, we are leaving my good friend, that gentleman in Fuchsia's house. Ty and I got to experience the Porsche Taycan Turbo S today. That thing is...
Taycan or Taycan?
I think it's Taycan. I don't know.
Porsche does these weird names.
I've heard it pronounced Taycan. I haven't pronounced the other way, but whatever. So, we got to ride in that thing. It was a roller coaster. Electric car is pretty rad.
We're in the inferior M3.
And,
took a wrong fucking turn. The damn GPS was 180. No, we're here actually.
Electric car is pretty rad, so they have a future. Now, not electric car related, but Ty and I are on the way to the Atlanta airport for this COVID-19 edition of the vlog. We are flying up to Boston today to go put together Ty's plow truck, basically completely rebuild Ty's plow truck, which is a second-gen Cummins. So we have to do that in about 7 days, and then we're going to drive it home if we get everything done in those 7 days. So wish us luck.
Yeah, a lot.
I just feel real poor being in this car since we're in the Taycan.
I mean, we're going on a car with a MSRP of like 80 grand and 240 grand. 3 times the car.
So there's that. The Taycan was cool. Had lots of screens and
technology
and tech.
This thing is so friggin' outdated.
Let me tell you what is more advanced than a Porsche Taycan. Have you heard of the 1987 Mazda RX-7?
Shut it off. Shut it off. Cameron.
No!
Seatbelt locked.
Have you guys heard of that car? Because
holy hell.
it's pretty advanced for its time, and even more advanced for today's standards.
Why don't we take the Taycan on this road? God damn.
I don't know.
Our luggage is going to be scrambled eggs by the time we get there.
Ty and I got our face masks.
Oh shit, people.
Oh God. Oh God. We're gonna die. So, to the airport. Let's go. Also, I stole your Red Bull, David. Tyler's dropping the big bucks at the airport for that daily parking for 10 days.
Daily, motherfucker.
Yeah. Also, there's no one in the parking lot, and it is fantastic. Like, look at the bottom of this parking deck.
We're gonna get front row. Are we going right to the terminal level, which is level 2?
No one's fucking here. Look at it. Oh shit, I need to tighten this screw again. Look at the Atlanta airport, boys and girls.
I don't know what just fell. Oh, my phone.
That was not as cool as the Taycan. Just saying.
Yeah, it's slow. Look at this. There's no one in. I'm still following the arrows.
So, we made it through security. I got patted down for some reason.
I am speed.
Which was pretty dumb. Ty didn't get patted down, so there's that. Favorite part of the Atlanta airport. Here we come to Boston.
Afternoon. Hi. White for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
thoughts?
Cold. Already want to go home. It's been like 9 minutes.
So this airport's empty. There were 2 flights leaving.
I think the other one is our return flight in a week because it's going back to Atlanta. So yeah.
This is by far the best travel experience I've ever had in my life. 20 people on our plane, no one in an airport. Just fantastic.
Pick where you want to sit.
Yeah. Maybe we should have pandemics more often.
You know, maybe start a fucking riot.
Oh, that's rad up there. The parking garage, the little wavy thing. Yeah, I'll see that. Well, kids, we made it to Cape Cod. We got an alternator, a trickle charger, and a jump box.
A possum with the beam.
We're gonna go assess this this situation. We're gonna see Ryan. So here's our project. Let's just give you the walk around. Rust. This is like J-Dub's Forerunner. Rust. There she. Oh, I thought that was a metal bed for some reason.
It is a metal bed. Oh, the decking?
Like the deck.
Decking's wood, the side's metal. And the thing that's cool is all these are all stake pockets. You can build whatever sides you want, and you can just take the sides out.
Yeah.
It's swollen, and replace the sides as needed.
Rad. So this is what we're doing for the next week. Cape Cod diesel performance.
Pulling this entire truck apart.
And driving it to Charleston. Or not Charleston, fucking where the fuck we're from, Seneca.
Carolina.
South Carolina. You wanna
Charleston isn't South Carolina.
pop this hood and
Yeah, I'll show you the Cummins.
Cummins, brother.
Cummins,
brother. Oh, it is top mount, kinda. Well,
they sit straight off. You can flip the manifold to have it sit up
okay.
if you want, but they sit straight.
We gonna do that to this?
No. I'll do it with the new turbo.
Why are you gay?
Yeah, originally was red.
Oh, there's. What?
Yeah.
Why is there a wire holding something up?
I don't know.
It's holding the wiring harness up?
I don't know what it was.
Yeah, that's definitely. Or no, that's not a wiring harness. That looks like a water line. Mitt?
Let me see the light.
Do we want to do it like right now? While it's not raining and snowing on us?
We can. We got tools.
I mean, fuck it.
It's literally these 2 bolts.
Yeah.
That bolt and that bolt down there, and we just got to get the pulley, which is right there.
Let's just do it.
Okay. Grab some tools.
Let's start working strong here. You want me to hold a flashlight? First step in the process. 9 o'clock at night. Change the alternator.
Better than doing this now and then freezing cold tomorrow.
Yeah. Yo, let me get that turbo. Can I have that turbo and you get your new one?
This line's just broken. Where's it going now? Oh, I think it's the wastegate line. That's fine. I don't really give a shit about the wastegate. We can just cut that.
Is that that's the 35, right?
This is an HX35. Yes.
So can I have that?
No. Well, I mean,
when you get your new one.
When I get a new one, yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna be not anytime fucking soon.
Rotary parts. Do you want to be the 10 man? Yeah. New alternator going in. Jesus.
Those wires are live because we didn't do the battery. Just a heads up.
Oh god.
The funny thing is, I touched on so many metal parts when I was taking it out. Now it just wants to go full send.
All right.
Put tools away.
Phase 1 is done.
We gotta just do those last 2 bolts. Put the
Shiny
tools away.
boy.
So we go grab a 7mm,
Okay.
and then I'll leave the ratchet out here.
All right, Ty.
You got Legos.
We got our alternator on. Now we got rum and Legos. I'm building a fire truck and Ty's building a Mastercraft.
I'm building Justin Dover.
Justin Dover. We have a completed build, Ty. Fight the fires.
I don't know what this bitch is supposed to be doing, but she crafted it.
She's pretty useless. Fight the fire.
Come on in and just fuck. Get in there. Yeah.
You're a horrible fireman.
I just want to extend all the way.
Squeeze harder.
There we go.
Ran in the fire.
Here we go.
Red.